So G, so G.
Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I've made another tool called Firewall Bypasser multi-tool. This is showcase #1. So I'm going to do the same like water botnet, make 2 videos. So the second one will be with music, and the first one I'm recording right now will be with my voice, alright? So yeah, let's showcase this thing, bro. I've worked hard on it. So first you need to download WinRAR. So if you want to download that, just go search WinRAR and then downloads, or you do weird devs and then this one, but it's just the same. As you can see the link, there's no difference, you see. But yeah, but I will leave a link for this in the description, alright? So then when you've downloaded WinRAR, just open it, run the installation, and then the file will get the WinRAR logo, right? Now what you're going to do is some more options and do extract here. It's going to extract. Now you can delete this if you want. Okay, now you'll get a lot of files. Just make a folder, fire. Just rename it to anything you want. Tool, and then just put hold on. One second. Don't mind the names of these zip files, that it was needed, alright? Now you select those and put into the map. Alright, so now you've got the map folder, alright? So open it and then run the Firewall Bypasser multi-tool. Then you just got it, Firewall Bypasser, and then we'll see your PC name, type help, and then you'll get all the options. So yeah, let's check out some options. So we have cool hacker mask, batch C, we've got water botnet. See, looks really cool. We've got IP smoker. You have to minimize this a bit, just like this, so then you can see enter IP, and yeah, we'll start pinging. You have hive fluid. It's DDoS panel, like if you just one into the target, you know, it will just do his job, you know. See, it will just do his job. Let's just wait. It's gonna check proxies, and then it will start your DDoS attack, right? And Control-C to close it if you want. So then we have Ice Launcher. If you don't know what this is, it's just a tool to get wait, where the heck is it? Oh, here. It's a tool to get Minecraft for free. So you just run that, and then enter username. I think it's ice. Wait, ice. Yeah, and then you just follow the steps, and you will get Minecraft for free. We have the best IP pinger pack. It's so stacked. Look how many, bro. This is the best IP pinger pack you can just get on YouTube and the internet, alright? We have a really old botnet called Ice Botnet. I will show you. You have to get your key, but if you don't want, just press enter. Do root all capital, and just do the PC name here again, and yeah, you just have your options. Oh wait, what? This doesn't work. Oh, maybe patched or something. Oh, I don't know. What do we have more? We have, oh yeah, listing Gwyn multi-tool F2. Well, if you're wondering why it's called like that, well, my old YouTube name was Gwyn 3.0 or just Gwyn. Yeah, it might be over here, you see. Alright, so let's run that. It was my first multi-tool ever, I think. Oh no, it was this one, I think. Gwyn multi-tool F1. I don't really know. But I can show you real quick. There's Gwyn multi-tool F1. So this is F2, it's patched. I don't know. Let's check. Wait, maybe we have to extract or something. Okay, let's check.
Je hebt toch zo'n bootje van Lego? Zit die
buiten die waterhaven? Oh yeah, it worked. So yeah, this is very old. It doesn't have a logo, but it's cool. We have some Bart Simpson's finger. It's really good. So that's F2. Now let's check F1. Alright. So F1, it should be this. Yeah. This one is root 2. Oh yeah, we have to extract. Oh my god, I fucking hate this. Just extract. Replace. Yeah, bro. Fuck off. There we go. Finally. Root. And yeah, there we go. This is very old. Look, they just even have this botnet, dude. You know how old that is, dude. That is so old. Even a wheat pinger, dude. Oh, we have to create an account, dude. Rude. Rude. And then press enter, and then you can just, slime by Gwyn. And we have repeating this one. Yeah, this is really cool. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that was pretty the multi-tool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.